Making your rental property energy efficient is one of the best ways to save money in the long run and appeal to environmentally conscious tenants. Not only can energy-efficient upgrades reduce utility bills, but they also add value to your property, reduce maintenance costs, and make it more attractive in the market. Today, we're going to talk about several practical ways you can make your rental property more energy efficient and ultimately save money. Let's start with the most obvious and effective upgrade: insulation. If your property isn't well insulated, you're losing money on heating and cooling costs. Proper insulation helps keep the warm air inside during the winter and the cool air in during the summer, meaning your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard. The attic is usually the biggest culprit when it comes to heat loss, so start there. Adding or upgrading insulation in the attic and walls is one of the most cost-effective improvements you can make. Next, take a look at the windows and doors. Old or poorly sealed windows let air escape, making your heating and cooling systems work overtime. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows can make a huge difference, and they come with the added bonus of noise reduction, which tenants appreciate. If replacing windows isn't in the budget, you can at least seal gaps around windows and doors with caulk or weather stripping to prevent drafts. These small fixes can have a big impact on your energy bills. Now let's talk about lighting. One of the simplest ways to save energy is by swapping out incandescent light bulbs for LEDs. LED bulbs use significantly less energy, last much longer, and generate less heat. This means you save on replacement costs and lower your energy consumption. It's a quick, affordable upgrade that pays off almost immediately. Next, consider upgrading to energy-efficient appliances. If your rental property's appliances are outdated, they're likely using more energy than necessary. Look for Energy Star-rated appliances when it's time to replace old ones. Tenants also appreciate modern, energy-efficient appliances, and it can make your property more appealing when they're choosing a place to live. Focus on big-ticket items like refrigerators, dishwashers, washers, and dryers. These appliances not only reduce energy usage but also lower water consumption, saving even more money in the long term. Speaking of water usage, installing low-flow fixtures is another way to make your property more energy efficient. Low-flow shower heads, faucets, and toilets reduce water consumption without sacrificing performance. In properties where you're covering water bills, this can lead to significant savings. Even if your tenants are paying for their own water, it's a feature that helps you position your property as environmentally friendly and cost-effective. Programmable or smart thermostats are another upgrade to consider. These devices allow tenants to control the temperature in the home more efficiently. Tenants can set the thermostat to adjust the temperature while they're away or sleeping, helping to cut down on unnecessary energy usage. Smart thermostats, in particular, are becoming a popular feature for renters because they can be controlled remotely through a smartphone, adding a level of convenience that today's tech-savvy tenants appreciate. Let's not forget about water heaters. If your property has an old, inefficient water heater, you could be wasting a lot of energy. Consider upgrading to a tankless water heater, which only heats water when it's needed rather than keeping a tank of water heated all day. This can drastically reduce energy usage. If a tankless water heater isn't an option, consider insulating your existing water heater and setting the temperature to 120 degrees to improve its efficiency. Another area to focus on is HVAC maintenance. Even if you have an energy-efficient HVAC system, it won't perform at its best if it's not properly maintained. Make sure air filters are changed regularly and schedule annual inspections to keep the system running efficiently. Clean, well-maintained HVAC systems use less energy and last longer, saving you money on both utility bills and repair costs. Lastly, consider installing solar panels. This is a bigger investment up front, but the long-term savings can be substantial. Depending on where your property is located, you may also qualify for tax incentives or rebates that make the investment even more attractive. Solar panels not only reduce energy costs for you or your tenants, but also add value to the property. As more renters become environmentally conscious, offering solar energy can make your property stand out from the competition. If making all these upgrades feels overwhelming, that's where a property management company like Alpine Kansas City can help. We handle everything from routine maintenance to major upgrades, ensuring your property stays energy efficient and appealing to tenants. We can help you plan and implement energy-saving strategies that protect your investment and reduce costs over time. Now, switching gears for a moment, If you're thinking about selling a property, Alpine Property Management Kansas City also buys houses. Whether your property is occupied, in need of repairs, or ready to go, we offer a simple, hassle-free process. You won't have to deal with listing your property or waiting for buyers. We'll make you a fair offer, and you can walk away with cash in hand. If you're ready to sell, reach out to us and let's talk. In conclusion, making your rental property energy efficient isn't just good for the environment, it's good for your wallet. From insulating and upgrading appliances to installing smart thermostats and solar panels, there are plenty of ways to reduce your energy costs and make your property more attractive to tenants. If you need help with any of these improvements, or if you're just looking for ways to better manage your property, Alpine Property Management Kansas City is here to help. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on property management and real estate investing. Thanks for watching.